Hello, my name is Jimmy and today we're going to take a look at how these fit into this. This is the brand new 2021 Nissan Rogue. So we're going to take a look exactly how much room there are in the back seat as well as in the trunk. So let's get started. First thing you're going to notice is just how wide these doors actually open. They open almost 90 degrees. So getting child seats and whatever else into the back, it's a whole lot easier. And there's little shades for your kid so that sun doesn't shine onto them. In terms of lower anchors on the Rogue, there are 3 different positions that you can attach to. One on the driver's side, one on the passenger, and one in the middle that shares the same anchor as the driver's side. It allows you to have just different configuration. It makes it a little bit more handy to fit more than the single car seat into the back here. In terms of upper anchors, there are 3 sets as well. One on the driver, middle, as well as on the passenger side. And there's actually a lot of room in here. Let me show you by putting the child seat in. As you can see, it's super easy getting this child seat in here. And what's nice is this is actually behind my driving position at 5'11". I didn't need to move the seat back. The rear seats themselves do not slide fore and aft like some other manufacturers, but there is a lot of space here and it's definitely bigger than the RAV4 in terms of what you can stow. And that's definitely a nice touch. Let's take a look at the trunk. In terms of cargo space, the Rogue has 36.3 cubic feet of space. It's a little bit smaller than the CR-V as well as the RAV4, but looking at it, you can't really tell. You can fold the rear seats down as well. There are handles right here on the side that makes it super easy for you to do so. And it's actually a decent space. On this Platinum trim, I also have the divide and hide cargo kind of tray. It allows you to divide your cargo up so that you have kind of like a separated section. It's actually kind of nice. But to put the stroller in, I gotta lay it flat. Let me actually put that in to show you. As you can see, stroller fits in very nicely. There's plenty of room here for diapers, groceries, whatever else you want to put in. So plenty of space. In any case, let me know what your thoughts are on the Nissan Rogue and, kind of any questions or anything else that you may have. Leave them in the comments down below and definitely read them and check them out from there. Take care. Have a good day.